Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use your mobile hotspot on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right and go to Settings. Then we can go to Network and Internet. Now under here you can see Hotspot and Tethering. Then go to Wi-Fi Hotspot and just turn this on. Then go to Wi-Fi Hotspot and tap it. Go to the name and we can come up with a name. Then go to OK and go to Hotspot Password and come up with the password. So you can see the password listed under here, and this should be turned on. And we can go back now and we can see it's active. So let's connect to it now on my other phone. So it should just be under the Wi-Fi option now. So let's go to OK. Now, just swipe down from the top right, go to Internet, and this should be on here. So you might have to rescan for it, so you can see Tim Wi-Fi. Then we can connect to it, and then we have to type in the password. And it should say if you have any active devices, one device is connected, right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.